Eero is a mesh Wi-Fi router system. You can instantly increase the range of Wi-Fi in your home or office by simply plugging in an additional Eero wherever coverage is missing. No wires necessary. This dramatically simplifies what was once a very complex networking challenge, connecting multiple routers within the same Wi-Fi network. Eero is simple and designed for customers looking for a reliable Wi-Fi solution at a great price. We will be reviewing Eero as a Wi-Fi router, not as a supplier of network security services, which Eero offers as subscriptions through their mobile app. Eero won the Red Dot Design Award in 2018. The Red Dot Design Award is given to companies and products that exemplify innovation, quality, and durability. It's made in Vietnam, costs $67 for a single Eero or $170 for a pack of 3. Eero extends Wi-Fi signals in any house seamlessly. Plug one in and set it up on the app within a few minutes. The Eero is explicitly designed for this purpose and does it perfectly. Networking performance is as good as it needs to be for most everyone. It will only fall short if you have specific networking requirements, such as a very high bandwidth internet connection. With a pleasant white color and rounded square shape, Eero fits in well with its surroundings. The logo is subtle. Setting up and extending an existing Eero is exceptionally straightforward. The limited number of ports on the device leaves little room for error. The packaging is mostly cardboard and paper. Eero is a pleasant addition to any shelf or surface. The white construction will fit in well with its environment. The physical device exposes only as many ports and buttons as is necessary to enable it to do one thing: provide mesh Wi-Fi. There is no room for error or misuse. The mobile app is robust, providing many additional features for monitoring usage and connectivity of devices. The Eero device includes only the essentials: 2 Ethernet ports, 1 USB-C power port, and a subtle button that you might never push. The mobile app UI, on the other hand, can afford to be less complicated. There is a lot of upselling for subscription services that provide additional features. Still, these are not required to supply Wi-Fi and get in the way of those who are not interested. We expect the Activity Insights service to be a part of the standard package without paying an additional subscription fee. What do you think? Do you like these extra features? Would you pay for them? Let us know in the comments. At the time of this writing, $170 gets you a bundle of 3 Eero, or you can purchase them individually for $65. This price is a steal relative to the competition. Other mesh routers regularly cost upwards of $100 per unit or $300 for a bundle of 2 or 3. Eero easily gets a point for cost. Physically, Eero does not set out to accomplish more than providing reliable Wi-Fi. However, the Eero mobile app tries to make the product more valuable by providing additional subscription services. It also provides an option for VIP customer support as part of a subscription fee, which feels disingenuous. We expect any product to receive full support from its maker. Inspection of Eero's privacy policies reveals that the company does not collect your personal browsing information. However, it does collect some data associated with creating an account, such as your email address and name. There is a lot of competition in this space, and many other well-designed routers to consider. Most of them cost more, but many of them offer additional features, such as Amazon Alexa or Google Voice, built in with a speaker. These may be more interesting to you if you are looking for such a combination. The primary choice for a speaker and mesh Wi-Fi combination appears to be the Google Nest Wi-Fi. Check the description below for a Pinterest link to a bunch of competitors worth considering. Eero is simple, clean, and pleasant to observe. It does not occupy much visual space. It must be placed on a surface with sufficient exposure to air to produce a strong Wi-Fi signal. This restriction makes placement more complicated than an ordinary device, but it's true of all Wi-Fi routers. Eero feels solidly constructed with a glossy white top, matte white base, and a light gray rubber bottom for secure placement. The logo is professionally engraved and should not come off easily. Visually, the design is elegant, not fashionable nor stylish, which will allow it to last for very long. Eero gets a design check score of 8. Aesthetically pleasing, simple, and effective. Eero gets a value check score of 1. Remarkably well priced, but not competitive when looking for extra features or performance.